And now for all the details. After concluding a historic visit to West African nation of Ghana, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday arrived in Trinidad and Tobago for an official visit to the Caribbean nation. In a rare and significant gesture, PM Modi was warmly welcomed at the airport by Trinidad and Tobago's Prime Minister Kamla Persad Bissessar, along with her cabinet ministers. He was accorded a ceremonial guard of honor at the airport, followed by cultural performances, including a Bhojpuri Chautal, highlighting the deep cultural connections between both countries. Along with his counterpart Persad, the Indian Prime Minister later in the day also addressed a community diaspora event, where he announced the distribution of OCI cards to the sixth generation of the Indian diaspora in the country. In his address, Modi celebrated the 180-year journey of the Indian diaspora, descendants of the indentured laborers from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and called them as the living bridge between the two nations. A key announcement during the event was India's initiative to create a comprehensive database of the Girmitiya community, aimed at preserving the history and connecting the Indian diaspora across the Caribbean. Almost 45% of the country's population trace their roots to India, including Prime Minister Kamla Persad Bissessar tracing her roots to India's Bihar.
With hope. They made problems with persistence. They left the Ganga and Yamuna behind, but carried the Ramayana in their hearts. They left their soil, but not their soul. They were not just migrants. They were messengers of a timeless civilization. Their contributions have benefited this country culturally, economically, and spiritually. Just look at the impact that you have all had on this beautiful nation.
Prime Minister Modi's itinerary in Trinidad and Tobago is packed with significant engagements. He was scheduled to pay a courtesy call on President Christine Carla Kangalu on Friday, followed by a historic address to a joint sitting of the Trinidad and Tobago Parliament. He will then emplane for Argentina. He is also scheduled to visit Brazil for the BRICS summit and later Namibia for a state visit. This tour, one of PM Modi's longest diplomatic engagements in over a decade, focuses on amplifying the Global South's voice in global governance.